The department is very much dynamic, and so many new methodology are being carried out, and very much I'm interested to do new things. So it's all about consistency every day. It's not the hard work that overnight it will happen. It takes time. Initially I watched most of the videos of, then I used to revise even during casualty duty, and while on OPD I used to open the app and used to solve questions, as much as question as possible, try to be efficient.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Santu Saha for scoring a topmost rank of 5 in NEES session in DM Pulmonary Medicine and Critical Care in April 2026. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Great. Can we know your brief background from where you started till date, what all you have done?
So I have done my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Itanagar, Arunachal Pradesh. Then I did UG from IQCT Medical College, Durgapur. After that, I took admission in Guwahati Medical College, Guwahati, under the guidance of Dr. Bashwanta Hazarika sir. I completed my PG, and then I'm currently doing my senior residency at Dhubri Medical College in Assam.
Excellent. Great accomplishment. Fantastic. When you got an idea to start preparing for DM Pulmonary Medicine, who inspired you? When you know the reasons behind that?
The department is very much dynamic, and so many new methodology are being carried out, and very much I'm interested to do new things. So our HOD sir also encourage us to learn new things. So this was my motivation.
Great, wonderful. Doctor, once you decided to do a DM Pulmonary Medicine, and what all you did and that helped you to achieve this rank?
After joining residency, then after only I thought of preparing for this DM Pulmonary Medicine.
Okay, what you did, what is one methodology, preparation strategy, how you prepared to achieve this topmost rank?
So it's all about consistency every day. It's not the hard work that overnight it will happen. It takes time. So initially I watched most of the videos of Saurabh sir, Arjun sir, Pradeep sir. I made notes. Then I used to revise even during casualty duty, and while on OPD I used to open the app and used to solve questions, as much as question as possible. Try to be efficient because it's hectic. The duty is little hectic.
Very good, great, fantastic. Doctor, how many questions were you able to attend this exam?
Sir, I attended 76 questions, sir.
Excellent. Doctor, what will be a message for the future aspirants of DM, pulmonary and critical care and sleep medicine aspirants?
Sir, the department is evolving. Lots of new things will come up, and it's all about hard work. Everyone. I'm also a normal student, just average. If everyone tries, like people like me can do it, then everyone can do it.
Great. Very nice. Very nice. Doctor, time to thank and whom all you feel you want to thank that they helped you in your career to grow from day one till date. You can use the platform to thank everybody.
Yes, sir. I'd like to thank my baba, my parents, my family member who supported me during my bad times also, and our HOD sir, Bashwanta Hazarika sir, then the Almighty for giving me this opportunity, my batchmates, seniors, juniors, everyone has their role.
Great, great, great. We once again wish you all the very best and all the success for a great and amazing and wonderful career in DM pulmonary medicine, critical care and sleep medicine for you. Best wishes to you, doctor.
Thank you so much, sir.